What's the strangest thing women do when they're attracted? Hint, it's not what you'd guess. Today, we're decoding the secret signals women show when they're into you. Think you've missed these clues? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never overlook them again. Let's dive into the subtle and not so subtle ways girls act when they're attracted. 1. Playing with hair or jewelry. Notice her twirling her hair or fidgeting with her necklace? That's no accident. When women feel a spark, they often subconsciously play with their hair or jewelry. It's a nervous yet flirty habit, like her body's screaming, "I want your attention." This tactile behavior releases tension and draws eyes to her face and neck, areas tied to attraction. So, if she's constantly adjusting her earrings or twisting a strand, she's likely signaling interest. Pro tip: if she repeats this while locking eyes, she's definitely into you. 2. Leaning in, close when talking. Personal space? What's that? If she leans in while you talk, she's craving intimacy. Closing physical distance is a primal way to connect. Think whispered secrets or breathy laughter. It's her body saying, "Let's get closer." Watch her shoulders. If they're angled toward you, she's engaged. If she pulls back, maybe not. But consistent leaning plus light touches, like a hand on your arm, she's all in. Remember, proximity is power. Use it wisely. 3. Flipping or flicking their hair. That dramatic hair flip isn't just for TikTok. When she tosses her hair, she's highlighting her femininity and testing your reaction. It's playful, confident, and screams, "Look at me." Bonus points if she does it mid-laugh or after a compliment. This move isn't subtle. It's a neon sign of attraction. Fun fact, studies show hair flipping mimics preening, a primal mating ritual. So, if her locks are flying, she's likely flirting. 4. Lingering conversations. Does she keep finding reasons to chat? Dragging out conversations, asking random questions, or laughing at your dad jokes? She's hooked. When women are into you, they'll delay goodbye like it's a final exam they didn't study for. They'll remember tiny details. You mentioned you love sushi. What's your favorite roll? Well, to keep the vibe alive. If she's ignoring her phone or friends to talk, she's prioritizing you. Don't let that momentum die. Ask her out while the chemistry's hot. 5. Showing off their curves. Watch her posture. If she arches her back, angles her hips, or accidentally stretches in front of you, she's showcasing her physique. This isn't vanity, it's instinct. Highlighting curves, like placing a hand on her waist, emphasizes fertility and confidence. Primal. Triggers of attraction. Even subtle moves, crossing legs toward you or adjusting a shirt, signal, "Notice me." Key takeaway: if she's suddenly hyper-aware of her body around you, she wants you to be too. 6. Teasing or playful banter. Is that really your favorite movie? Wow. Light teasing is her way of testing chemistry. It's flirty, fun, and shows she's comfortable enough to joke. Roasting your taste in music or gym selfies? She's inviting you to volley back. Play along. Confidence wins here. But note, if her jokes feel mean-spirited, that's a red flag. Healthy banter feels like a tennis match, not a dunk contest. Laugh, tease gently, and watch her light up. 7. Softening their voice or laughing more. Her voice gets lower, slower, or breathier around you. That's not coincidence, it's biology. Women often subconsciously soften their tone to sound warmer and more approachable to crushes. Plus, frequent laughing, even at May jokes, signals she's relaxed and into you. Notice if her pitch rises when you compliment her, it's a dead giveaway. And if she mirrors your speech patterns, that's golden. She's building a connection, one laugh at a time. Recognizing these signals isn't just about decoding attraction, it's about understanding the quiet language of human connection. Stay curious, and you'll start seeing the world, and the people in it, in a whole new light.